In today's video, I want to show you how you can stretch an image to full page in Google Docs. So let's start. And the first thing is we are going to insert our image. So I'm going to click on Insert, Image, upload from my computer. I have this parrot image, so I'm going to open it. And here we have the image. So now the first thing is you want to open image settings or options. So it's over here. Then on the right side, you will have this menu where you can adjust everything. So the first thing is you want to adjust these margins from the text. So you have a couple of options. Let's say if you would like to put the image behind the text, so you'd like to do it like this, and then you can maybe adjust opacity to make the text stand out more like this. And then you can basically resize the image into the full screen. And also make sure to set position to fixed position on page, so it's not going to move with the text. So you can uh, change the or place the image how you want. So let's say we can do it like this. And now we have this image of the parrot in the full page. Actually, we don't have this on the full screen, so I'm gonna drag it a little bit more. And now we can move it in the middle. Now another way what you can do, if you don't want to do this behind the text, you can again click on it. You can go to text wrapping. You can do wrap text, and the text is gonna be on the next page. And you can do the first page just with an image. So I can change opacity back to 100. And this is our first page. So this is going to be all for this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.